Rasul Kareem Amabad. Respected teachers, my dear brothers and sisters, today I am going to talk to you about drug abuse according to Islam. In Islam, drug abuse is considered a medicine. It is harmful to the individual, their family and society as a whole. Drugs can damage the mind and body, and they can lead to addiction, crime and violence. The Quran says, chapter number 2, verse number 195, and do not put yourself into destruction and do good. Of course, Allah loves those who do good. Quran chapter number 5, verse number 90. O believers, intoxicants, gambling, idols, and drawing lots for decisions are all evil of shaitan handiwork. So shun them, so you may be successful. Narrated in Sahih Bukhari, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, whoever drinks wine in this world, Allah will not let him eat in the hereafter. Narrated in Sahih Muslim. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, every intoxicant is khamar and every khamar is forbidden. I urge you to stay away from drugs. They are not worth the risk. There are many other things in life that are more enjoyable and fulfilling. If you are someone you know is struggling with drug abuse, please seek help. There are many resources available, including your local mosque, community center, or mental health clinic. Thank you for listening.